Join us on a day trip on the Norfolk Broads, starting out at Wroxham, where we hire a small motorboat, putt-putting downstream on the River Bure, change maps at Drydal Drainage Mill, getting as far as St Benet's Abbey, before an upstream return to base and hand over our little motorboat. Back in nature on the Norfolk Broads.
Our first manoeuvre is to travel straight to the end of the marina, then take a right turn out through a very narrow-looking exit.
Looking cool. Seconds later, too cool. Keep your eyes on the water, not on me.
Our wake looks impressive, doing about 4 knots. This is all the day hire boats in a chain, travelling down the waterway.
This is easy, peaceful and relaxing.
A heron that seems used to all the traffic, totally not fussed by us.
A flotilla behind, a flotilla ahead.
A gap in the reeds and water plants shows off a red flowering bush.
Swans swimming crazily close.
Mother mallard and her brood of 10 looking for food. Look here, quacklings, this looks like a good place to eat.
Drydal's Drainage Mill.
Originally, the red brick tower had a Norfolk boat-shaped cap that had a gallery and a 10-bladed fantail.
Another unperturbed heron. For the horse fans among our viewers, there are some fantastic houses along the banks.
These geese don't appreciate the quality of my helmet.
The opening into another mere. Tall trees right to the water's edge.
Another house beyond our wallets.
A weeping willow in its element. A narrow waterway leads to someone's home. This butterfly is called a small white.
Our boat tied up, we are on land to visit the ruins of St Benet's Abbey. With the last monk leaving about 1545, there is very little of the monastery left. The abbey. Sometime after 1020, King Canute officially granted the land here to the holy men currently resident in the area. Around 1820, an enterprising farmer used the main gates as the starting point for his own windmill.
The monks became large landowners and by 1291 had 28 churches and property rights in 76 parishes.
More importantly, they had the rights to dig peat in 11 parishes.
When the peat pits later filled with water, they became known as the Broads. Not much to see here anymore.
In 1987, Queen Elizabeth II donated oak from Sandringham Estates for a cross to be erected on the site of the original high altar of the abbey.
Back on the river, a sailboat glides past. Another common moorhen.
Tangled remains of a tree. Could it have been struck by lightning?
Maximum speed 5 miles an hour. Mum and Dad swan with 3 cygnets bob in the wake of the passing boat.
The steamer is now on our tail. It looks all ready to overtake us.
Coming up on what might be a summer house on the riverbank. As we are left in the wake of the tour boat.
Cameras away, we relax with an onboard picnic and just enjoy the views.
Thank you for joining us on the Norfolk Broads.